If you haven't tried Ken's Steakhouse Italian salad dressing, you don't know what you're missing. Ken's is the best. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ken's Steakhouse famous Italian dressing, grilled chicken salad. Start with half a cup of Ken's Italian dressing, then add some hot seeds, half a teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, fresh ground black pepper, and sea salt to taste. 2 tablespoons of EVOO. Trim your chicken as you see fit. No grizzled chicken here. Marinate in the refrigerator for at least an hour, up to 4. Grill at 350 degrees until you reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Slice the chicken any way you like it. Don't forget the brofist. Slap a couple of splashes of Ken's right onto the chicken and give it a good mix. Start to prepare your salad. I used field greens, red cabbage, radicchio. English cucumber, celery, radishes, carrots, and mushrooms. Red onions, place the cooked, marinated chicken on top and enjoy.